Welcome back to Wanderlust for Life, the channel that shows you European gems through food and memorable experiences. And today we are in Tuscany! So let's get into it. In this video, we are taking you to Tuscany, but more specifically, we are starting off in the Chianti wine region. I am just so excited, but before we get into this dream trip come true, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. We have a ton of videos coming from Tuscany, so don't miss out. I cannot even begin to tell you how much of a dream this is, and to make it happen, we are partnering up with KM0 Tours. We partnered up with them to take you around this beautiful area. They focus on slow food and slow wine and just having authentic Tuscan experiences. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you can see everything they offer, but they do day trips from Florence, so you can easily have a wonderful Tuscany adventure that way, or you can have like a 3 to 7 day fully immersive experience here in the Tuscan countryside. So we're gonna be spending 4 days with them, and you do not wanna miss all of these videos. So let's dive right in. First, I wanna introduce you to Ariana and Alessio from KM0 Tours. They are your new best friends and the smiling faces behind KM0 Tours. They are taking us around the area and showing us the best of Tuscany. And we're getting started with the lunch with all the ingredients basically made right from about 20 feet away from where we're sitting. Our very first stop here in Tuscany. First of all, the drive here is mind-blowing. Like, I can't even believe how beautiful it is here. But we are starting with some wine, of course. And we are here at, I hope I say this right, Castellinuezza e Piucca. And starting with Chianti Classico from 2018. And you know it's the real deal because it has the black rooster on top, and this is DOCG, which is the highest level of certification for the region, and this has been in a cement tank. Different, huh? So this is how they used to do it here, and so these are kind of back to the roots kind of thing, so it should be kind of light, and yeah, well, let's give it a try. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, so it is definitely lighter. It has a lot of flavor to it, but it's not like a heavy wine. It's really nice, and it's just ever so slightly chilled. So we're gonna kind of dig in. Can you believe that you can drink wine and eat with this view? I just don't even understand how this is real life. So this is the first one. On to the second. And our second wine is the Chianti Classico Reserva. This is 2015, and the difference here is the original one was done in the cement barrels, and this is 1 year in the cement barrels, and then it's moved into wood barrels, so for another year. So this has been doing its thing for 2 full years. Oh, it smells so good. Oh. This one has definitely more body to it. I mean, that's what the wood does to it anyway, but it's still fairly light to me. But oh, what we also found out is with the Reserva, these grapes are from more of the top of the hill where the Castello is. So it's kind of a more special grape as well, because Reserva kind of means special. So, well, on to the next one. And number 3 here is Gran Selezione, and so this is from 2017. This is going to be the same kind of grape that we had, but it will be aged 1 more year in the barrels. So so it's going to be 3 years total aged. Smells amazing.
It's not really.
Ooh, that's nice. Gets you right in the cheeks, like right here. Get that little tingle. And we got some pasta with ragu here, so I think it's gonna go really nicely with that. But we're gonna dig in, and we'll see you in a bit. We made a pit stop at one of the cutest Italian towns I have ever seen. This is Montefiorale, and There is 70 people who live here. Can you believe that? This is one of the cutest places I've ever seen in my entire life. And we're just making a quick pit stop here before we check into our farmhouse for the next couple nights. Just a note, this is during COVID time, so we're wearing our masks indoors, but walking around and everything, it's just so beautiful and we feel free. This ancient village isn't just the cutest place you've ever seen. It used to be a military center and is considered one of the prettiest villages in all of Italy. Now, a half-hour drive down the road and we get to our farmhouse. Welcome to where we're staying for the next couple nights. This is awesome. So, when we're with KM0 Tours, and if you book a multi-day trip with KM0 Tours, you'll probably be in this farmhouse. It's Casa Sabina, and we have like this whole little suite area. I was not expecting this, mind blown. I do want to tell you they have a pool, very important, and a fan in the bedroom, also very important. But what's also cool is all this space. Check out the kitchen. So we have a fridge, freezer, stove, I mean, everything that you could possibly want. I'm loving this breeze, by the way. Okay, so we have a TV here. I don't know that we'll use it. There's also a single bed right next to the kitchen in case you have more than 2 people. And then down this lovely hallway, you come to the bathroom, which I think is super cool because it has a stone wall. And then the bedroom, welcome. Nice big bed. The cross breeze is so nice. I was really worried because it's summer in Tuscany. Cross breeze is awesome. Fan above the bed. I think we're gonna be really comfortable. I've never stayed in a place like this before. I was really worried that it wouldn't have, I don't know, the modern amenities needed, but it definitely does. We just met Beppe, who is a baker. He has been doing this for decades, and he is going to show us his secrets on how to make sourdough and like a mother starter and pizza and a special sort of like a focaccia, but it's like the Tuscan version, and learn all about the special flours and stuff like that because I don't know anything about that. So I'm really excited because I want to be a better baker. Don't you? Don't we all right now? Anyway, we are going to go hopefully get our hands dirty. Beppe is full of information all about breads. So we learned about the local ancient flours, how to make the sourdough starter, and all of the different types of bread products you can make with that starter, from pizza to rolls, and even the special Tuscan bread. Good morning. Can you imagine waking up to this view? I am in love with Tuscany and in love with this farmhouse, so I'm going to show you around a little bit more before breakfast. But yesterday, so we got the demo from Beppe. He is like the coolest guy ever, and I think everybody should know him and at least meet him once in their lifetime. And we had a lovely dinner here at the farmhouse. I hope we can come back here and stay sometime because it's been so cool. But today on the docket is a mini cooking class, and then hopefully we're gonna go see a pottery shop. And I love to see local craftspeople do their thing. So that's gonna be really cool, I think, for us to see because you always wanna take a little piece home and, I don't know, reminisce about your trip. So that's what's going on today. This gorgeous farmhouse has origins from the 1500s, but no worries because it has been renovated and the landscaping is absolutely perfect for a wonderful, relaxing trip to Tuscany. There's the pool to relax, views in every single direction, and the owners are just the nicest people. Miranda and Massimo are going to be there to welcome you and help you with breakfast, and of course their puppies are going to be there to play with. I wish I could stay here forever, but at least you can stay there for a few days, maybe even a week. We are now here at Cucina Giuseppina for a cooking class, and we are here on their farm, and they have this gorgeous outdoor like kitchen studio thing. We're gonna be making fried sage leaves, fried, what do you call them?
Zucchini flowers?
Zucchini flowers, pork, there's some kind of chocolate dessert that we're making, and of course, pasta. And we are here with this beautiful setting with this gorgeous day, and we're gonna get our hands a little dirty because we're gonna make it, then eat it, because it always tastes better when you work for it. First things first, we're starting with dessert so it can chill. This is sweet salami, no real meat involved. Take these animal cracker type things, crush them up, then you mix them with some butter, add egg yolk and cocoa powder, mix it all up again, put it into a roll, and then put it in the fridge to chill after you taste test, of course. We're trying our fried sage leaves. Oh my gosh. So good. The batter is so light. We just dipped it in the batter, let it drip off a little bit, and she fried it in some hot oil. Mwah. Delicioso. Now I'm trying the fried zucchini flower. This was in her garden this morning, so this is totally fresh. I don't know how, but it's even better than the sage. Oh my gosh. Have you ever had fried zucchini flower? Let me know down below. I have not. This is awesome. While the region is known for their reds, they also make a white, and to be honest, I'm completely obsessed with their white. I bought 2 bottles. Anyway, in between course making, I took a break in the olive groves, and it was amazingly peaceful. But it was time for the meat dish, so I was making the herb covering from the marinade for the pork, which we'll have later. And then we gathered the goodies to make the pasta dish straight from the garden. I cannot get over emphasizing how fresh everything is. And then it was time to actually make the pasta. I wish I could say I was a natural, but that is just not true. I needed a lot of help, and they were so patient. I'm making pasta. It takes muscle.
Fa paura. I'm suggesting you eat now. Ecco, lo sapevo arrivava l'ordine.
Let's go, let's eat. And now we eat. So we're gonna see if we did halfway decent.
Quindi qui ci hai messo l'uovo però. Hai messo l'uovo? Sì.
Making a mess.
Really? One thing. Only one thing.
That is so good. That is really, really good. Maybe I have a future making pasta at home. We finished up our pasta, and Giuseppina was busy making our pork. Little secret, I used to hate pork, and this was the best thing I've ever eaten. And finally, dessert. It tasted like a chocolate cookie, but better. Giuseppina and her son Luca were the best teachers, and we had such a great time at this cooking workshop. We will never forget it because it was definitely the best one we've ever taken. Our last stop for this video is Certaldo, and it's a hilltop town here in the area. It is so cute. We've already gone to a cafe and checked out some pottery. Of course, we bought some pottery because supporting local artisans. All right, there are so many more videos left, so don't forget to hit subscribe, hit like if you enjoyed this video, and a huge thanks to KM0 Tours for having us. Again, if you want to check out their tours, the link is below, and we will see you in the next Tuscany video. Bye!